what I got here. '76 Chevy Caprice. I did a few works. You know, got that baby looking right. So we got the nose up in the air, you know. Exhaust pipes, everything done. Need to do a few works in the interior. I don't know yet. I'm still thinking about it, but we got the '76 Caprice looking right. Mortal Kombat style. Looking at my beast right there. That's my favorite. Did my Cadillac. Set that shit on 22s. Just like the Caprice. I'm working on this baby right here. I just painted. Don't know what kind of rims I'm gonna put on there. Still undecided. Still thinking.